Hi guys, welcome back. It is 2018 and this is my first video of the new year. So happy new year to all of you, and hopefully it's going to be a healthy and safe new year. Speak the positivity to your future and it will happen. Today I'm going to bring you guys, I don't know, kind of a random video. I was thinking about doing the best of 2017, but I don't know. I just kind of want to talk to you guys and update you on life. So I'm still working at the place you know I'm working at. Still me, my husband, and my puppy Beagle. You guys know all that about me as well. Not much really going on, but the same stuff going on. I have a new plan for this channel this year. I figured 2017 was a year where I wasn't really dedicated to posting as much like I used to on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram. I kind of fell off for a little bit. Work got pretty hectic, but I'm back in the new year. I'm so excited for this new year. I hope you guys are as well. If you're not already subscribed, definitely subscribe down below. Follow me on Snapchat. I'm on Instagram. I think I post more on Snapchat more than anything. I'm starting to link my Twitter and my Facebook together to my Instagram as well. So definitely follow me on all of that. I just wanted to connect with you guys and say Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so glad to be back. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.